almost to Whaleville Road. Yeah. I filled the feeder up, except the snow really got it. I think that they were still kind of, there was one spot that they still were kind of getting into it. Mm-hmm. But yeah, we have to check that out. Yeah. Oh, there's the camper you're talking about. Getting better.
Let's go back street and get you water.
Back street, thank you. Oh, there's our post office. Yeah, I would bet you that Whaleville is pretty clean. Yeah, looks like it. Yeah, what do you... I think we're going to sneak out. Thank you. Yeah, it's clean. More or less. It is white now. Yeah, that dream I had this morning, of course we're in your car, not the truck, but I hope that wasn't like premonition kind of thing. Like this truck looks like he's coming at us. There we go. Clean off some of that ice on top of us. We didn't go down Blueberry today, love. We can.
I couldn't see where Blueberry started.
We can see it over there, though. Fred West says he is carving. Cool stuff, huh? Really? Yeah, because I guess we always do kind of crisscross and don't take this piece. Is she white?
It's nice and snowdrifts. This is so cool.
So this time last year, what was it? We were, I guess we had the offer was in. I guess it was basically the contract was signed, right?
I think so.
It would have been end of January.
You're so much better at dates than me.
I remember February 26th very well.
Okay.
So I think that we would have quote bought it. We just hadn't settled. Contract. How about this? The contract was signed. We hadn't went to settlement yet. I think that's what it was. Because we were like, let's do it as quick as we can. Ride past first and then come back to Peerless. I want to drive right across.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's what I want to do.
Oh, do it now before there's a fence and a gate out.
If I can see the stakes, I think I might. If I can't see the stakes, I bet you that we can see the stakes. What do you think?
Yeah.
If the stakes are taller than the corn, I can see the corn pretty easy. I'm way off. I'm sure the yellow lines are no reason to the yellow line. This will be the most snow. I don't know how much is actually on the ground, but this is definitely the most snow in the last year.
Gosh, yeah. Last year we didn't get like any snow.
Now over here I came and I had some pictures and video of snow, and then this year too.
Okay.
Let me put the window down for you.
Yes, please. Yeah. Because I would totally do it.
I can't really see where it is though.
Well, I see the tree.
What's that?
Don't go near it.
A little bit of snow. Now this is the front porch. Wow, it looks pretty cool, huh?
Oh my gosh. Wish we had a yardstick.
I can't
Can't
even
see our border.
No, you can't.
Oh. Let's go have some fun.
Snow is pretty deep. It's deeper than what I thought. Is it deeper than what you thought?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
It's still coming down.
I think I'm gonna leave the truck run though.
Okay.
All right, let's go have some fun. Right, Duke? Boom, boom. He doesn't like the snow. Yeah, much deeper than what I thought. It's gonna be their winter wonderland, isn't it? Duke, get over here. Come on, buddy. Duke, here, come on. You big dummy. Duke. I'm gonna get out there too. Oh, love them. I definitely don't have on. The right boots. Oh. All right, idiots. Duke. Do I hear geese?
What?
Here! You watching your rescue dog?
Aggressive dog.
I said rescue.
Aggressive.
Yeah, he's aggressive for sure. Love, our flagpole doesn't look too good. Yeah, what's up with that? I guess it is 40-mile-an-hour winds or whatever. He's so stupid. She is too. She's an idiot. She's the idiot of the bunch, actually, huh? Duke? Come on. Here. You dum-dum. Huh? Watch out, there's a ditch.
She's my depth gauge.
I'll tell you this, I'm going to put on my other glove. See? Wait a minute. Get her back down there. That's where the ditch starts, huh?
Right.
Right, here, come on.
Right.
It is deep. I'm going this way. Is it good packable snow? Duke Dozer's dog back there, love. He actually has snow on his face now. I've never seen that. What's she doing? Look at her face. Yeah, keep them away. It's actually a dirty water well, love. We don't consider that a well. You're good. Keep going. I'm just gonna walk back this way just because of the depth. She's look at her face. Where's your camera? Look at that. Right. Sit. Rye, sit. Sit. Call her. Sit. Watch. Hey. Hey. There they are. I knew I heard them. 3 blues on the front. Right? I think you are too. Look, Rye's still looking for you. Duke's eating snow. He's eating dirty snow, love.
Ready?
Rye, don't eat that. Come on, stop. We'll go. Trying to find my boots again. I've said it many times. My boots are just too low. I can feel the snow down on my heel. He likes the road. He's an idiot. Well, he's eating the dirty stuff too, like stuff scraped off the road, not the nice white stuff. He would be frozen. He would just be standing like Sam Prickles. Why is he doing that? Huh? Yeah. Work my way back in here. Beep. This might slow us down just a little bit. Past week, I feel very positive about putting some stuff in motion, and this will slow us down a little bit. All right. Rye hasn't. It's closer to being a reality, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it is 100%. It's closer to being a reality. I was just saying that, this week I feel pretty confident, like trying to get a couple things in motion, switched up a couple things, and I can see it. I can envision it. Can you envision it?
I can.
Yeah. I can envision the dogs just having a blast non-stop,
Gosh, yeah.
24/7. I think I'm going to text Fred West, see if he's, as he would say, he wants some company. Go get her, buddy. Go get her. He's trying to do the thing like he's getting chased. Easy. They are going to have a blast here. They're having a blast here right now. I missed that one. Right here, hey. Her hackles are all up. Dumb.
You guys go to sleep.
They're going to sleep very good today. All right, want to end this? Maybe go to Fred West. Yes. All right, I'm sure the audio is horrible. Thank you. How about this? Is that audio better? Yeah, I think it might be. All right, thank you for following along with us. We appreciate it. And as always, I say more to come, more to follow, and thinking of you we are. Boom.